Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming admin access and a reliable internet connection because updates need permissions and downloads. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates to pull system patches. This also prepares dependencies for many programs. Once done, open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and click Get Updates to refresh store apps. Make sure to let critical updates install before updating large apps to avoid dependency conflicts and restart prompts. Now focus on non-store applications. Open each app, then check Help About or Settings for a built-in update or Check for Updates button. This invokes the vendor's updater and preserves settings. If no updater exists, download the latest installer from the vendor site and run it. Choose Repair or Upgrade when available. Once done, restart the app and, if prompted, restart Windows. Make sure to back up custom settings or export profiles before big upgrades to avoid losing configurations. Finish by restarting Windows to complete pending installs and allow services to initialize. Many updates only finalize after reboot. After restart, open key programs and check About or Settings to confirm new version numbers and verify functionality. If an update fails, run Windows Update Troubleshooter or the program's repair option. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the latest build. One tip: if a program breaks, restore settings from your backup or use system. Restore to return to a working state before retrying the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.